Mastering advanced vocabulary, building a strong lexical foundation. Our first word of the 27th day is 1. Nectar. A. The drink of the Greek and Roman gods. B. Something delicious to drink. C. A beverage of fruit juice and pulp. D. A sweet liquid produced by flowers and collected by bees. The bees fly within a 5-mile radius to collect nectar. Bees collect nectar and turn it into honey. 2. Pillory. A. To expose to public derision, ridicule, or abuse. Attack or ridicule publicly. He found himself pilloried by members of his own party. B. To set in the pillory. The press pilloried the judge for her decision. 3. Yada yada, adverb. And so on. Noun, boring or empty talk. I went to work, came home, had dinner, yada yada yada. They're animals. I'm talking country codes, asbestos firewalls, yada yada yada. 4. Vicinage. A. The region near or about a place, vicinity. B. A particular neighborhood or district, or the people belonging to it. C. Proximity. After many days of wolfish travel, he saw signs of the vicinage of the Shoshone Indians. I should have supposed it meant a narrow locality and would apply to a city or town vicinage. 5. Carboload. A meal or snack high in carbohydrates, usually eaten with the intention of increasing energy levels. B. Athletics. Such a meal eaten with other competitors the day before an athletic event. Athletes training for a big endurance event should consume carboloads to enhance performance. 6. Xenophilia. An attraction to foreign peoples, cultures, or customs. It is the antonym of xenophobia or xenophobe. He felt drowsy from his carbo load. He has a strong xenophilia for French culture. 7. Foodist. A person who is very interested in food, a foodie. The term is often used by individuals who prioritize their health and wellness by making conscious dietary choices. B. A person who discriminates against other people because of the food they eat. The town has a really good foodie scene. My friend is a real foodie. She loves trying out different restaurants and experimenting with recipes. 8. Approbate. To approve officially. This constitution shall approbate new regions established in accordance with its provisions. This statement was neither approbated nor rejected by the appellate court. We pick and choose, take and leave, approbate and reprobate in a breath. 9th comparison. A. To dress richly, deck. B. To cover with a caparison. C. An ornamental covering spread over an elephant's harness. In India, you can often spot elephants with a beautiful caparison. 10. Mellifluous, yielding or producing honey. The stings of Cupid's mellifluous darts. Grelot was a skilled apiarist, and replenished his mellifluous flocks by wild swarms enticed from the forests. None of the mellifluous clan, in my neighborhood at least, is stirring as early as she is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Remember, a word a day keeps your eloquence at play. Please subscribe and click the notification button.